Hey YouTube, it's the Internet Income Ninja here with another lead. And this is a great one because it does pay quite a bit per hour. Alright, so this one comes to us from Invite. And if you'll just give me a few seconds, there are some links in the description below. If you like the content I'm sharing, hit the link, hit the like button. Share this with a friend, family member, co-worker, even if it's someone you don't like. Share it with them because maybe they'll be busy making money, they'll forget about you. Alright? And subscribe to the channel so that whenever a video comes out, you get notified. Hit the notification bell. Alright? The links in the description below take you to opportunities that share with you how you can earn money without having to spend your time earning money. Meaning you don't need to work per hour because it leverages the power of apps, systems, the internet to make money for you, even if you're not sitting there doing the work yourself. Alright, so check those links below. There are affiliate links, and if you choose to purchase a product, this channel gets a commission. Thank you very much. If you don't, then the webinars are still free, so at least you get to learn something new. But back to this job. Invite, as you'll find out more about this company, is inviting people to apply for the position of a client services specialist account team position. Right? There is an Eastern Standard Time one as well. You just need to click view all jobs, but this one is PST. There, I believe there is an EST as well. Alright, so it's Monday to Friday. It's a traditional opening hours job, so 9 to 5 or 8 to 4, 8 to 5 with lunch in between. Now it's a remote position, so that's what makes this one special. So you can work from home or wherever you are. If you choose to go on the beach by yourself and you have power and internet connection, you can work remotely wherever you are. Alright, so Invite. Invite is dedicated to bringing comprehensive genetic information into mainstream medicine to improve healthcare for billions of people. Our team is driven to make a difference for the patients we serve, so it's a health-based company. We are leading the transformation of the genetics industry by making clinical-grade genetic information affordable and accessible to guide health decisions across all stages of life. Our team is expanding rapidly, and we're looking for people who are passionate about helping improve healthcare to join us. We are looking to add a customer-focused and innovative individual to our dynamic and rapidly expanding client services team. This individual will be on the front lines fostering relationships with existing customers, resolving missing information or lab processing issues, and responding to a variety of inquiries from healthcare professionals and patients. The individual will be expected to work cross-functionally across many departments such as the client relationship managers, field sales, on-demand client service specialists, operations, and more in order to best serve client needs. What you'll do, you'll be well versed in all Invite products, processes, and policies in order to respond accurately to customer inquiries over the phone or email. Facilitate clients during the entire sample, to report process from sending collection kits and arranging phlebotomy draws to updating ordering clinicians about the status of their order. You will be the primary point of contact for the ordering healthcare providers supported in your region and their patients. You address all questions, feedback, missing information, sample failures, and order delays in a timely manner. You should be proactive and committed to identifying areas of process improvements that will enhance client satisfaction. You'll work closely with the client relationship management team and the sales team to ensure customer issues are addressed and to ensure utmost client satisfaction with the entire Invite experience. So what you should bring to the table? Well, you should have 2+ years experience working in a client-facing role with a company that is customer obsessed. So 2 years customer service experience. Alright, exceptional oral and written communication skills, high level of emotional intelligence, customer empathy, and active listening skills. Demonstrates curiosity and exploratory skills, excellent organizational and multitasking capabilities, enjoys problem solving and things outside the box, experience using Google Apps, Mac OS X, and CRM applications such as Salesforce. Industry experience in biotech, life sciences, and/or healthcare is a plus. Experience with reporting in Salesforce is a plus, or Tableau is a plus. So by joining Invita, you'll work alongside some of the world's experts in genetics and healthcare at the forefront of genetic medicine. We've created a culture that empowers our teams and our teammates to have the biggest impact and to explore their interests and capabilities. We prize freedom with accountability and offer significant flexibility, along with excellent benefits and competitive compensation in a fast-growing organization. Join us. At Invite, we value diversity and provide equal employment opportunities to all employees and applicants without regard to race, color, religion, national origin, gender, sexual orientation, age, marital status, veteran status, or disability status. We will consider for employment qualified applicants with criminal histories in a manner consistent with the requirements of the San Francisco Fair Chance Ordinance. Okay, so you can either sign in with LinkedIn and just have all that info magically just swiped over to this application, or you could fill in your name, email address, phone number, attach your resume or curriculum vitae, and attach your cover letter. You will answer these questions. Can you commit to PST working hours? Alright, Pacific Standard Time. Do you have Salesforce experience? Are you fluent in any other languages? If so, what are they? Do you have customer service experience in healthcare or biotech industries? LinkedIn profile, so you could just copy and paste your LinkedIn profile URL there. How did you hear about this job? You could probably just say YouTube. Or if you want to put Internet Income Ninja in brackets YouTube, that would be great. Please select your work authorization for this position. I am authorized to work for an employer in the country. Yada yada yada. I will now or in the future require employer sponsorship to obtain work authorization in the country. My status to work in the country in which this position is based is unknown. Gender, Hispanic or Latino, race and ethnicity definitions, and you'd pretty much just go through, fill these out. Alright, disability form, and submit. And that's it. And if I have not mentioned before, this job position pays, according to Glassdoor, between 29 and 35 US dollars per hour. So it's a cracker. It's something that will go quickly. So you need to apply today. If you are eating, put your food down and apply. If you're on the toilet, get off, cut it short, apply now, and then go back and finish your business. Alright? Please apply quickly. If trading your time for money isn't your thing though, check the links below. I promise the webinars will give you incredible insight into what's available out there today. Even if you just choose not to go with it, learn something new. The webinars, as I said, are free. Just enter your name, email address. That's used to update you should there be changes in the products. But we're not going to disclose your information whatsoever. But thanks for staying to the end of the video. Apply quickly. Hope you guys are staying safe during this pandemic. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.